You start your day and you don't know how, with whom, or where it will end. This can be a bit unsettling if you don't know what to expect. Perhaps the best and only thing you can do then is to lean back in your thoughts, expect nothing, and allow everything to happen. Just keep walking. Just keep walking. You take the best out of every kilometer and simply leave everything else on the side of the way. And sometimes it's enough just to reach the end of a climb and to be rewarded with a view. Sometimes all it takes is a friendly house, unexpectedly in the middle of nowhere, in a warm, filling meal. And then it's suddenly as if you have a small, private, invisible picture frame with you. Every stretch of land, every view, every distance, every little random situation, everything becomes a painting of thousands of colors for which you have no name. It's like seeing for the first time and only just learning to see properly. The only thing left to do then is to lean back in your thoughts and try to keep this picture frame as long as possible.